y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So today I am going to show y'all this hairstyle that has me in a freaking chokehold because it is just so cute and it's giving fall vibes. So this is what my hair is looking like. The claw clip, you know, it's trending nowadays. You know, everything comes back around because this used to be like a, I don't even know, but they used to wear it back in the day. And I'm here for it. Do y'all see this? I tried my best to record this video without a mirror, so I don't really know how it looks in the back. But hopefully y'all catch what I'm throwing because it's cute. It's cute. It's giving. And you can perfect it to your liking. So, I forgot what I was going to say. I feel like the best time to do this style is when, you know, it's time for like a retwist. So the claw clip can just kind of clip into those roots. And we don't want that when, you know, we have the fresh retwist because we want it to stay fresh looking as long as possible. But yeah, I love it. I love it here. I love the claw clip. I'm a claw clip girly. Keep watching if you want to see how I did my hair. I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm not going to talk that much because I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain. I forgot to mention that you're going to need three things. You're going to need a scrunchie, you're going to need bobby pins, and also a claw clip. I like to use a scrunchie. You probably could use a hair tie, but the scrunchie kind of gives me that volume at the top that I like. So the first thing I do is split my hair in half. You can put however much hair you want in the top, but just know that the hair at the top is the hair that's going to be sticking up, giving you that like pineapple look. Now that I separated my hair, I'm going to split my locks in the back straight down the middle, and then now I'm going to grab hair from both sides, the left and the right side, and crisscross them. So this doesn't have to be perfect, and it did take me a little time to get this technique down, but I take locks from the left side and bring it over to the right side, and locks from the right side and bring them over to the left side, and I'll continue to do that until all my locks in the back are in this braided form at the end, you'll see. But even if locks do pop out, as you can tell, I missed a lock because I'm not using a mirror, but if you are looking in the mirror, you should be able to catch little things like that. But just keep going back and forth until all your locks are in this braided look. Right here you see I am going to try to tuck in the lock, but I eventually just secure it with a bobby pin because I'm not sure if that lock will come out or not, so I just want it to be safe. Now that we are finished, I'm going to take my bobby pin and pin the hair that is not tucked in the back. So this should be the last crossover. So I tried to tuck this lock in the back, the one that I missed, and it wasn't really up in there. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin it up in the back and call it a day because it just wasn't trying to stay up in there. So this is where we are now, done with the back part of this. You could leave it like this if it looks a little better than mine. Honestly, it would look cute like this without the clip if I took the time to make it look a little better. Now I take the top part of my hair down and determine what locks that I want out down in my face, and then I put the rest up into the pineapple again. Now I'm just going to fluff it out to my liking. I honestly feel like this whole style could have been better, but y'all get what I'm trying to do. Like, it always looks so much better when I do it in the mirror, but I was trying my best to record this for y'all. But this is what it's looking like. I just kind of play with it to see how I like it to sit on top. Then I get my claw clip that I got from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree be having some nice, cute looking stuff. and I clip it and try to get the clip in the middle. I was struggling with that also, but I eventually got it in the middle. I'm just like, okay, is it in the middle or is it not? But I got it. Then I do my final fluff, make sure everything is in order and everything is secured. You can't even tell where this scrunchie's at. Like, this whole look is a vibe. You can't tell me otherwise, but that is how I do my claw clip style. So this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.